Hello, how are you everyone? I hope everyone doing well. Welcome to SK Salon. I am so excited to share that we are launching our Botox, keratin and hair repolarization treatments. Three amazing way to make your hair smooth, silky and healthy again. Try with those treatments. You can see the transformation about your hair. Let me quickly explain what each one does about these three treatments. Keratin treatment, this help to remove frizzy, repair damage hair and make your hair smooth and straight. It gives you soft silky result that last for weeks. Let's we talk about the Botox treatment. When we are talking about the Botox treatment, why we are doing Botox treatment? Actually, you had your hair bleach is too damaged. If you thinking to cut off, no, don't want to cut off there. You can do the Botox treatment and you can do your hair again. This this one is like a deep repair for your hair. It feels in damaged area, add strength, shiny and hydration, perfect of dull or weak hair. It doesn't damage your natural texture, but it makes your hair look younger and healthier again. When we are talking about the repolarization treatment, this is a deep nourishing and moisturizing treatment. It brings back the natural shiny strength and softness of your hair from the inside out. It's great for that feels dry or tried from chemical or heat. If you do keratin treatment, I am suggestion for you do even one or two sessions after that repolarization treatments. It's very good for your hair. You can see the your hair, it's very shiny, smooth. You can control it nicely. Okay, you guys thinking to do some treatments like keratin, Botox or repolarization treatment? Visit SK Salon and talk with us. What do you want to do? We are analyzing your hair and we can decide what we can do for your hair. This month have a offer for you, 25% off this month. You can choose whatever you can do, right? See you from next video. I'm saying again, if you thinking to do these treatments, don't wait. This month have a offer for you guys, 25%. Call us and take your appointment. Make your hair nice. Thank you.